guys, I'm here with another video and I'm cooking the green peas or gungo peas with the coconut milk. So a lot of you guys told me the last time that I should use this one and also that I should use cloves because cloves is a game changer. So I'm here today to try this method with you. So I'm going in with my gungo peas in coconut milk, and then I'm gonna add some water to this can. I'm gonna use another can, I'm gonna fill this with water again and then pour it in. So that's 2 cans. Then I'm gonna go in with my garlic along with ginger, my cloves, and my pimento seed. Also gonna add a little salt, then cover the pot and let it boil. This has been boiling for roughly like half an hour. I'm gonna go in with my scallion and thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to add some butter along with a little sugar. Alright, so I'm gonna let this boil for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, then come back, taste it to see if it need any salt or any adjustment. Okay, so I'm just gonna taste this to see if it need any more adjustment, any salt, anything like that. This is perfect. So I'm gonna add the rice. And this is some jasmine rice. Stir it. And the liquid over the rice needs to be like 1 inch. That's how you get the perfect rice. You can feel it and know. I don't know what to tell you to measure it. But if you think it's too much water, it's best to take out some and then add it back if it needs to be added. But I'm just gonna cover this and let that cook. Once it starts to boil, then I'm going to turn it on low. So the rice and peas look good. I don't know if it tastes better than the one I did, but it looks great. So we fluff it. Move this. Move this. And most importantly, we move this.